Hey, hello everyone. Going to do a review about this Toyota Land Cruiser. Yes, I can't deny it anymore. I love Toyota Land Cruisers. And this is, for me, a new Diecast brand, Masdi. And it's in the 1/64 scale. I have no other Masdi models in my collection. So we're going to find out if it's any good. Price was pretty okay. I think I paid around €15, $15, and I bought it on Aliexpress. Let's take the plastic off. So yes, it will be my first time seeing this model. Saw this model on Aliexpress for the first time 2 weeks ago. And I thought, let's give it a try. So here we got the package, Toyota Land Cruiser LC80 1994. Here we got the side, here we got the back, officially licensed by Toyota. That is what we like. Some text, freeze the frame if you want to read it. Box package, I like that. Oh, this is already looking very good. Very well protected. Feels very heavy also. We even got color details for the interior. Four-wheel drive, nice rubber tires, authentic rims. Paint is also looking okay. We got lanced front lights, Toyota of Land Cruiser license plate. This is plastic, but the body definitely metal. Windscreen wipers mounted on the glass. Interior looks very good in the sand color. Lots of details. Got a sunroof, side mirrors with a silver sticker on it. Here we got the back, heating in the back window, and also windscreen wiper. Windscreen wipers, yes. Lanced lights, again a Land Cruiser license plate, but there is room for your own license plate. Let's check the base. Whoa, I was not expecting this for the price you pay. It is a nice metal base with a silver exhaust. I like this, and even a spare tire here, which also is made out of rubber. Hey, this is a winner for me. Masdi, you did really good. We can have a look in the back. If you want to compare this with another brand, well, I think it's Jackie Kim Diecast, but if you look at the color interior, you can also say X-Car Toys. This is a fantastic model. And if you're in Toyota Land Cruisers, they have different colors, different models, also other than Toyota Land Cruiser. So check it out. I'm really surprised about the quality. Yep, I give this a thumbs up. Wow. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to smash the like button and have a very good day. Bye.